Hello everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. Today we learn about American Sign Language alphabets. So let's start. This is the sign of A. 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 Again, repeat. A. A. This is the sign of B. 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 Again, repeat. B. B. This is the sign of C. 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 Repeat again. C. C. This is the sign of D. 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 Repeat again. D. D. This is the sign of E. 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 Repeat again. E. E. This is the sign of F. 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 Repeat again. F. F. This is the sign of G. G. Repeat again. G. 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 This is the sign of H. 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 Repeat again. H. H. This is the sign of I. 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 Repeat again. I. I. This is the sign of J. 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 Repeat again. J. J. This is the sign of K. 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 Repeat again. K. K. This is the sign of L. 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 Repeat again. L. L. This is the sign of M. 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 Repeat again. M. 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 This is the sign of N. 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 Repeat again. N. N. This is the sign of O. 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 Repeat again. O. O. This is the sign of P. 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 Repeat again. P. P. This is the sign of Q. 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 Repeat again. Q. Q. This is the sign of R. 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 Repeat again. R. R. This is the sign of S. 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 Repeat again. S. S. This is the sign of T. 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 Repeat again. T. T. This is the sign of U. 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 Repeat again. U. U. This is the sign of V. 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 Repeat again. V. V. This is the sign of W. 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 Repeat again. W. W. This is the sign of X. 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 Repeat again. X. X. This is the sign of Y. 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 Repeat again. Y. Y. This is the sign of Z. 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 Repeat again. Z. Z. Subscribe this channel for more informative videos.